In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely uninstall WPS Office in Windows 11. If WPS Office isn't working the way you expect, or you're switching to a different suite, the cleanest way to remove it is through Windows settings. This uses Windows's built-in uninstaller, so the app is deregistered properly and related components are removed in an orderly way. You don't need any third-party tools or extra downloads. Before we begin, save your work and close WPS Office if it's open. Uninstalling while programs are running can keep files locked and slow things down. If you're on a work or school computer, you may also need administrator permission to make changes. Let's open Settings. The fastest shortcut is pressing the Windows key and the letter I together. If you prefer using the mouse, click the Start button and choose Settings from the menu. When the settings window appears, look to the left sidebar and click Apps. On the right, open Installed Apps. This page lists everything currently installed on your PC in one place so you can manage or remove items safely. Next, find WPS Office. You can scroll through the list alphabetically, but the search box at the top is much faster. Type WPS Office and it should pop up immediately. If you happen to see multiple related entries, focus on the main WPS Office listing shown as the primary application. On the right side of that row, you'll see a three-dot icon. Click that to open the options menu for the app. Choose Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm, so click Uninstall again. This double confirmation helps prevent accidental removals. You may also see a security prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes. Approve it to continue. The WPS Office uninstaller will now launch. Follow the on-screen prompts. The exact wording can vary by version, but generally you'll confirm the removal and watch a progress bar as files are unregistered and deleted. Avoid closing the window or shutting down your PC during this time and let the process finish completely. When it's done, the uninstaller will close and WPS Office will disappear from the installed apps list. That's your confirmation that Windows has removed it. You should also notice any WPS Office shortcuts and start menu entries are gone, and your file associations will shift to your default apps. That's all there is to it. You open Settings, went to Apps, found WPS Office, used the three-dot menu to uninstall, confirmed the action, and followed the prompts to complete the removal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cleanly uninstall WPS Office on Windows 11.